Yes, greetings to everyone watching this video. By the names of Watsema Muthibithi, presenting to you my project in database management system. I came up with the system called Students Record Management System, and the area of interest was education, and I decided to choose student management, students record management system, and the list is possible database system applicable in this area are students record management system, student information management system, data warehouse management system, assessment management system. In this students record management system, it can be used in institutions like universities, secondary schools and colleges to track the information of students like students' performance, students' attendance, students' exams done per semester or per year. Yes, and the reasons for this system, that is students' record management system, it will be able to organize and manage the records of students, assess and helps in assessments and evaluation of students, accountability and the compliance of students, and to be able to help students to interact and communicate and collaborate with both their parents and as well as the institutions like universities, colleges, wherever they are using it or they are studying from. And the business cases of the students' record management systems are educational institutions, human resources management, government agencies, and non-profitable agencies. The application domains of these systems is a software system that helps students manage their records efficiently. The system should support the following and operate the following processes: students registration, enrollment management, attendance tracking, and grade management. That is giving students like at universities their CGPA, among others. The group users of this system are students, teachers, that is lecturers, parents, that will be able to use the system to collaborate, communicate to each other. The analysis of the benefits of the students' record management system it improves data management, it enhances efficiency in recording students' information, it is time saving, it is better in communicating to students where students will be able to access the system. It is also improved in record keeping of students' information and as well as institutions' informations. Analysis of costs of the systems are developmental cost, implementation cost, maintenance cost. Users' issues are skills, adaptation skills. Risk assessments are technical risks that will be related to hardware's software failures, among others. The organizational risks are data privacy, system integrations, and user adaptations. Limitations of these students' record management systems include data entry, dependency on technology, costs, user adaptation, security, limited scopes. Go ahead. Here comes the entities or the lists of entities. For example, students, attendance, tuitions, and exams. That these are the entities I used in creating tables using my SQL interfaces or commands. The entities are here. The student will be having the student ID, which will be the primary key. It holds name, date of birth, gender, the contact information about the student, such as addresses, phones, email, and so on. The attendance, it will have the attendance ID, which will be the primary key of that table, and to hold the subject, then date, attendance status of our student, whether present, absent, and so on. The tuition table, the tuition entities, attributes, student ID. This student ID is from the student table that will act as a foreign key in the tuition table, and the attributes are amount owned, among others. This is exam table, and the exam table will have the exam ID, and for exam ID is the primary key of the exam table, and the attributes are exam duration, exam results, among others. And the attributes here in student table are names, date of birth, gender, and so on, as shown here. As we move on, it comes the entity relationships. I didn't display the diagrams, but if you read here, you can understand what I was trying to mean. So go on. Addition multiplicities of this. A student can have multiple attendance records, but an attendance record belongs to only one student. A student can also as well have multiple tuition payments, and each payment is associated with only one student, as well as exam can also hold a student multiple exams results alone, and can be used by one student. And these are the tables I created, and the ERD diagrams as shown. Thanks for watching the video. I wish you success.